Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Revolut mass payouts. Revolut is a popular financial platform that allows businesses to send mass payouts to multiple recipients in a fast and efficient manner. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to ensure seamless and successful mass payouts. Firstly, it is essential to verify the recipient's details to avoid any errors or discrepancies. This includes checking the recipient's name, email address, and bank account details. You can use Revolut's built-in validation tools to verify the recipient's information and ensure that it is accurate and up to date. Next, you need to set up a mass payout batch, which involves uploading a file containing the recipient's details and payout amounts. Revolut supports various file formats, including CSV and XLSX. Make sure to use the correct file format and follow Revolut's guidelines for formatting the file to avoid any errors. Once you have set up the mass payout batch, you need to review and approve it. This involves checking the payout amounts, recipient details, and any applicable fees. You can also use Revolut's reporting tools to track the status of your mass payouts and identify any issues or discrepancies. To ensure successful mass payouts, it is crucial to follow best practices such as using the correct currency, avoiding duplicate payments, and keeping track of payment limits. You should also ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Revolut account to cover the payout amounts. In addition, you can use Revolut's automation features to streamline your mass payout process. For example, you can set up automatic payment schedules and use webhooks to receive real-time updates on the status of your payouts. In conclusion, following best practices for Revolut mass payouts is crucial to ensure seamless and successful transactions. By verifying recipient details, setting up mass payout batches correctly, reviewing and approving payouts, and following best practices, you can minimize errors and discrepancies and ensure that your mass payouts are processed efficiently and effectively. By using Revolut's features and following these guidelines, you can streamline your payout process and focus on growing your business.